Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use InsertKit on your Mac. First, you need to download the app. Let's start with the download process. Go to the official InsertKit website and navigate to the download section. From there, select the Mac version of the software. You can see some instructions for installing the app on the right side, such as you have to install it using a terminal, then navigate to the download, and after that you have to give some command. Let's see how to do it. Simply click on this button. It will start downloading. Once you download the app, it will usually go to your downloads folder unless you choose a different location. After downloading, you'll receive a DMG file. Now, after the download is complete, press Command plus space on your keyboard and type terminal. Then open the terminal application. Inside terminal, you need to run two commands. First, type cd. Then type the name of the folder where the file was downloaded. In most cases, it will be the downloads folder. Make sure to type the folder name exactly as it appears. Press enter. Now you are inside the downloads folder. Next, you need to run another command. Type xattr-cr. Then type the exact name of the downloaded file. Make sure the file name is written exactly as it appears, including the extension. If you want to avoid typing mistakes, you can copy the file name directly from the folder and paste it into terminal. After pasting, if the .dmg extension is missing, manually type .dmg at the end. Then press enter. If everything runs correctly and no errors appear, that means the command has executed successfully. If an error shows up, it means something was typed incorrectly. Now the file is ready and we can move on to the installation. The terminal part is complete. Now to install the app, double-click on the DMG file. After opening it, simply drag the InsertKit app into the Applications folder. Once you do that, the installation will be complete. You can then go to the Applications folder and open the app from there. As you can see, the app has now opened. At this point, we need to grant a few permissions so the app can function properly. Click on Open System Settings. You'll notice that InsertKit has automatically been added here. Make sure to enable it. You may need to enter your system password to make changes. It's asking for one more permission. Clicking Open System Settings again and toggling it on. If InsertKit still doesn't appear in the list, you can click the plus icon, locate InsertKit manually, double-click it, and add it from there. Now let's check what permissions the app requires. There are two important permissions that must be enabled. Otherwise, the app will not work properly. From the system settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, open Accessibility. Make sure InsertKit is enabled there. If the app isn't working correctly, you can manually check here to confirm that this permission is turned on. The second permission is Input Monitoring. So it can trigger shortcuts properly. Make sure both accessibility and input monitoring permissions are enabled. Once these two permissions are properly granted, the app should work as expected. Now let's check whether the software is working properly. By default, the user will be logged out, so they'll need to log in first. Since I previously tested the app, it is already logged in automatically. Let's test if it's working. For example, if I open Google or a notepad and type a /, you can see that a pop-up appears. This is a new feature. From this pop-up, the user can easily select a saved snippet, and it will be inserted automatically. As you can see, it's working properly when typing the shortcut. Smooth. Amazing, isn't it? Boom! This is how the shortcut triggers and inserts the content. Now let's quickly look at the clipboard feature. In the settings, users can manage clipboard monitoring. This feature can be enabled or disabled depending on preference. If this autocomplete pop-up is enabled, the pop-up will appear after typing the / shortcut. If the user doesn't want that pop-up behavior, they can disable it from the settings. There is also an option to run InsertKit automatically when the computer starts. If this option is enabled, the app will automatically run in the background whenever the Mac is turned on. If the user prefers to start it manually, they can disable this option. The shortcut key can also be customized. Right now, pressing Command plus Shift plus Z opens the clipboard panel. Your previous a specific number of copied text will be stored here. The clipboard panel can be pinned so it stays visible. When pinned, the user can access copied items anytime and paste them whenever needed. Users can also copy items again directly from the clipboard panel and reuse them. That covers the clipboard feature. So overall, this is a simple tutorial showing how to install and use the InsertKit Mac app. If you have any issues or questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.